Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Deltarune crashing at startup error on your PC. So if you're also having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is actually how I fixed it myself. I firstly went into Steam because I got the game through Steam, and then I just clicked on library right here as you can see. So now in library, I actually just went and found my Deltarune right here and just right clicked on it. Then I hover over manage, click on browse local files right here. Just going to wait a couple of seconds. Maybe sometimes you have to do it two times. I'm just going to see. Oh yeah, here it is. So perfectly. And yeah, here's the Deltarune. So you're going to find this one right here and right click on it. Then you're going to click on properties. Then click on compatibility right here. And then click on run this program as an administrator. Click on apply. Click on OK. So now when it's done, we can actually now go into the game. So I'm just going to open up the game. Here it is. And when you actually open up, you're going to click on yes here. And when you open up the game, by the way, you're just going to now click on your control, click on the control and tab and escape. So click on that, and then it should now take you to this page. Now in here, click on details. And we are now going to see if we can find the game in here. It's not the easiest thing sometimes, just so you know. So I'm just going to see where exactly the game is. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down, see if I can find. Oh, here it is, Deltarune. Perfect. Of course, it's going to disappear. Sorry for this, guys. So, okay, let's see, where is it? Oh, here it is. So right click on it, then click on set priority, set it to high, then click on change priority. So I did this, and afterwards the game hasn't actually crashed for me whatsoever, as you can see, and this is basically exactly how I fixed it.